Hey guys, it's Key Live Trade. Welcome back to another live trading session. Hopefully you guys checked out my last live trading session. If you didn't, go check it out. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. But anyway, I started a little bit late. So I didn't do my regular daily look or setups, but we should be fine. Market is about to open in 2-1. Now the market is open. Let's see what we can do. Wait, is it open? Yeah, it's open. Just a little bit of lag. Uh, all right. What's that? 20. Another lag. Cast. All right, so let's see. What do we have here? This looked like it could probably potentially go up, but let's see. I see a lot of buying, so I'm gonna take a long. Yeah, it should go up. Let's see. My average is 2780. Okay, so far good. Let's see if we get some more. It's gonna break through. It's stalling out, so I take that 130. First trade of the day, looking good. The reason why I took profit is because I wanted to see it keep going. I don't want to see any stalling. So when I see stalling, it gives me the sense of someone absorbing the shares. So let's be careful in a sense. I'd rather be safe than sorry. So we have here to worry about, and we have here and here to worry about. So let's see how that goes. So 130 on the day. See, it's rejecting that area. There seems to be a seller there now. Let's see. What do you want to do? So you guys know my goal is 200 on the day. If I can take out a little bit more, I'll do so. Okay, look like it want to go down. But let's see if it's going to respect this area. And by the way, I do have a video coming out. I should be dropping it today. So keep an eye out for that. If you guys want to be notified, just subscribe to the channel and you'll be notified with that video. It's actually a learning video. And one of the things that we was talking about in that video is practicing patience and discipline. Right now, I'm practicing that right now. Patience and discipline. Right here is this zone right here is a very rocky zone because if you look at the level 2s, you can see a lot of big buyers that's trying to hold it up. Anything can happen in that zone because you can still see big buyers stepping up. There are sellers that's trying to push it down, but there are some buyers that's holding it up with big size. But let's see. So we have 36 seconds for the 5-minute chart. Well, 5-minute candle, I should say, to close out. I'm just looking at the price action and seeing what it wants to do. So we basically have a zone right now. So I like to mark up my zone. And when I say zone, it's like like an area of where price is just bouncing in between. So we already have a top here and we have a bottom. So until price break out of one of these directions, then I have an idea of where price might continue to go. So we have a top here and we have a bottom here. So far it looked like it's trying to go retest that high day right here, which was 28.17. It looked like it wants to try to retest it, but who knows. But yeah, it looked like there's a lot of buying pressure trying to go up. So I'm I'm gonna see if it retests this area. I'm gonna mark it out. More likely it is, as you can see. It's gonna test it. Is it strong enough to break through? And it's testing. It broke through a little bit. It's a smidge. And we got a little bit of fail. Probably gonna try to retest it again. And I will potentially try to get on a dip buy. Let's see, can we get a perfect dip? It's kind of stalling out at that range, but I do feel like it's gonna break through. But let's wait. No rush. Hopefully you guys are practicing patience and discipline with me. So let's see. I'm going to, you see there's a big buyer right here at 18. As you can see, it's still fighting in that range to where it's going up, but then it get pushed back down because I'm pretty sure there's some big sellers in this area or some sellers trying to absorb it. So now this is why I'm trying to be patient, because I can easily jump in expecting it to go a little bit higher and then it just reverse on me. So I'm trying to be patient. I'm still not sure about this area, and that's why I'm so hesitant right now. I'm still hesitant about it. And one thing I should say is if you're hesitant about a certain trade, there's two things you can do. You can take the trade, but jump in with a smaller size. Do not go in with a regular size. Or just don't take the trade until you see something clear and more direct to where you're not, guessing, overly, to where now is less like, if you do make a mistake or it goes in the opposite direction, then you're gonna be like, oh man, damn, I was right. I should have waited. Now I should probably be retesting that 2818 area. Let's see. Is it gonna test the, it look like it's trying to hold. I'll take a long and see if it will bounce back up. And I'm going to take that 67. I'm at 205 on the day. That's my goal. And let's see if we can get a little bit more. If I give back too much, then I'm gonna just end it. But right now I have a cushion, so I am perfectly fine with taking a little bit more out of the market. And right now it's only what time is it? It's 9:39. So I made my goal within like 9 minutes, basically. The market opened at 9:30, and well, now it's 9:40, but that last trade I took was at 9:39. So in 9 minutes I made my goal. So imagine just being in a position where you can make that within a day, and that's what most people make in a day. Most. One day making $200 a day. Imagine. Let's see. Let's do the math. $200 a day. 5 days. The market is open. That's $1,000 a week. Times that by 4, which is the month. 4,000 a month. Then you times that by what, a year? We have 12 months. That's 48,000. That's not bad. And all you're doing next, if you want to make more, is just scaling up, doing the same thing over and over, but just adding a bit bigger size. So that 200 become 400. 400 become 1,000 a day. You just got to manage your risk. And also that video that I created, which I'm going to drop today, talking about managing your risk to become a better trader. So I'm going to end this video probably in like 5 or 10 minutes, because I don't want to drag it out too long. I know people's attention span are very short, so I'm trying to make good content to where you guys can see the live trade for those who are traders or who are trying to jump into that trading world to see it in real life. But it looked like it's setting up to turn or change direction. So it's testing. It's going to test at 18. The question is, will it break the 18? The 28.18, the previous zone that we marked out. It's trying to push down. I will be participating soon. I'm just waiting for my time to enter. And the reason why I ain't jumping as yet is because I feel like it's not ready to go and it's not ready to pull back enough. So let's see. Looking at the level 2, it's still trying to push it back a little bit. It's pulling it back a little bit. And this is why I try to practice patience, because say I was thinking, okay, it's gonna go long, I would have had a long position and it would have came right back down. So you just gotta practice that patience and read the market. There's a big buyer right here, 29. Does it take it out or hold? So it held it. So if it can hold it a little bit longer, we might get that push back up. Let's see. It might try to retest that 29 to see if it's really strong enough. In terms of holding, it might be strong enough to hold. Let's see. We do see some sellers trying to stack up against the buyers. So it look like the shorts are in controls right now. I'm trying to figure out the direction. Okay, so yeah, I think the short term is in control at the moment. Okay, let's see. Can you break that 29? Oh, we broke the 29. I'll take a long. Let's see. So average is 05. The average is 05. Then we got a big seller at 09. Can we break through 09? I'll take that L. It was stalling out too much. I need to see it keep going. I think the direction is slowly trying to change. Yeah, I think the direction is trying to slowly change. Like it's giving a hard time to go through here. So my direction is on a short bias now. I'll take a short. Average is 13. Let's see, can we get that break? Can we break 29? Yeah, we broke 29. Can we get some more out? 29. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's break it down. Yes, let's break it down. Yes, just like that. So 92. Let's keep it going. All right, I'll take that. 240. 245. That was a good trade. Practice patience. You see how I read the market. I said, okay, this looked like there's a lot of selling pressure. So price action might want to change. And I think it might continue to go down in the direction. So I might take a potential next swing and even try to end the day 300. Okay, let's see. We might get a push back up. Let's see if we can retest this area. Okay, let's see. We're close to 29. There's a big seller right here. And this is gonna be my last trade, guys. So I'll take the short. Can we get some more selling? Average is 89. Can we break the 80? Yeah, we broke 80. I want to see this keep going down. 86, 89. Back on my average, 86, 80. Come on, let's go. Let's keep it going. Keep it going. Yes. Let's go. And I'll take that. I'm finished for the day. 365. Easy. Well, not easy. It was a little bit hard. Well, anyways. 365 on the day. That's the end of the video, guys. Like, subscribe. Show me some love. My daughter's up, so I gotta go make her some breakfast, and that's it. So I made 365 in what, half an hour? Yeah, half an hour. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of the day and safe trading. Peace.